Okay, listen up because this is insane. Apple just did something so wild, it's going to make you either scream in excitement or throw your current iPhone out the window. Seriously, are you ready? The iPhone 17 Pro has leaked, and no, it doesn't look like anything we've ever seen before. Imagine if Mr. Bean designed a spaceship while drunk. Yeah, that's what this thing looks like. But here's the kicker. This isn't just some flashy redesign. No, Apple went full mad scientist mode. We're talking about features so futuristic, they might as well come with a flux capacitor. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why the iPhone 17 Pro could be the most pro phone ever made, or the biggest flop since pineapple on pizza. Stick around because I'm dropping bombshells every minute. And trust me, by the time we get to the price tag, you're gonna need a lie down. All right, let's dive into the elephant in the room, the design. Remember when Apple said form follows function? Yeah, they clearly forgot their own rule this year. Instead of the classic camera bump, Apple decided to slap a giant black glass slab across the top of the phone. It's like someone took a ruler and drew a line across the back and then stopped halfway through. Here's the tea, the triple camera setup is still there, but now it's floating inside this bizarre black visor thing. The flash moved all the way to the other side. The microphone also moved, and right in the middle, nothing, just empty space, like Apple was like, we'll figure it out later. But wait, before you start yelling at your screen, hear me out. Every time Apple changes the design, it's not just for aesthetics, it's to enable new tech. Last year, it was better cameras. This year, they've gone full-on Terminator mode. All three lenses are getting a massive upgrade to 48 megapixels each, including the zoom lens. That means you can crop into photos without losing quality and videos. Forget DSLRs, this thing will replace Hollywood cameras soon. Hold up though, Apple didn't stop there. They swapped the titanium frame for aluminum again. Yes, aluminum. Why? Who knows? Maybe Tim Cook lost a bet. But hey, lighter phones, inner happier pockets, right? Oh, and speaking of pockets, guess what else got an upgrade? Battery life. Apple finally realized that thin phones aren't worth dying mid-TikTok binge. So they made the iPhone 17 Pro 5% thicker. Don't freak out, it's worth it. Trust me, you'll see why next. Let's talk performance. Inside this shiny new beast is the A19 Pro chip. Sounds fancy, right? Well, hold on to your coffee mug because the real star of the show is the RAM. Apple bumped it from 8 to 12 gigabytes. Yes, 12 gigabytes. Why? Because apparently Siri got too smart for her britches and needed more brain power. AI tasks? Check. Gaming marathons? Double check. Editing 4K videos on the go? Triple check. And do I have a treat for gamers? Apple added vapor chamber cooling. What does that mean? Picture this. You're playing Fortnite, and instead of your phone turning into a toaster after 5 minutes, it stays cool enough to fry eggs on later. Okay, maybe not that cool, but close enough. But wait, there's more, a lot more. Reverse wireless charging is finally happening. Yep, you heard that right. Flip your phone over, slap your AirPods or Apple Watch on the back, and boom, they charge wirelessly. No cables, no hassle. It's almost like Apple remembered Android had this feature years ago. Better late than never, I guess. Now, if you think that's impressive, buckle up, because the display upgrades are going to blow your mind, or at least make you want to buy one immediately. First off, the screens are staying pretty similar in size. 6.3 inches for the regular Pro, and 6.9 inches for the Pro Max OLED goodness, 120 Hz refresh rate, blah blah blah. But here's where it gets juicy. Dynamic island shrinkage, rumor has it, only the Pro Max is getting the smaller notch. Regular Pros, same old island. Kind of like being picked last in gym class. But the selfie camera is getting a major glow up from 12 to 24 megapixels. That's double the pixels, people. Your selfies will look so good, even your ex will swipe right again. Plus, the front-facing camera now works better in low light. Late night Instagram stories, say less. And did I mention scratch resistance? Apple claims these displays are tougher than ever, which is great because nobody likes pulling their phone out of their pocket and finding a crack staring back at them. except maybe Samsung fans. So far so good, right? But brace yourself because the best part is coming up. And no, it's not free iPhones. Sorry. All right, deep breaths, everyone. Let's talk money. If you thought the iPhone 16 lineup was pricey, prepare to clutch your pearls. Sources say the iPhone 17 Pro is starting at $999. Yup, same as last year. But, and this is a big but, the Pro Max, rumors suggest it could hit $1,299. Why so expensive? Well, Apple's throwing everything in the kitchen sink into these phones, new materials, insane specs, and enough AI smarts to rival Skynet. Honestly, if you don't upgrade, I won't judge you. But if you do, congrats, you just bought the digital equivalent of a Bugatti. So, what do you think? Is the iPhone 17 Pro worth selling a kidney for? Or should Apple stick to making AirTags for lost socks? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this breakdown and subscribe for more tech chaos. Oh, and share this video with your friends who still think iPhones are just phones. Spoiler alert, they're not. One last question. Would you trade your current phone for the iPhone 17 Pro? Hit me with your hottest takes down below. Until next time, stay awesome and remember, don't drop your phone unless it's already broken. Then, well, science experiment. Peace out.